This is a tutorial for a temporary bed because it currently weighs approximately 3.5 kilograms, which is a bit too heavy. So I'll only be using this until I find some other material or some other way to make it a lot lighter than it currently is. bottom piece of wood from the thin part on the bottom of the bed, as you can see in the video, is already bending slightly. So once you put it on with actual heat, it's going to be bending a whole lot more. In order to solve this issue, what I decided to do was put these U-shaped aluminum profiles from Home Depot. So they're screwed on with M3 screws, and as you can see, they prevent the bending. Hey guys, please subscribe and share with any people who you think would be interested in this topic, because I'm trying to figure out how to fund these projects, and having a larger viewership would be a good starting point.